Hello guys, this is Hard Reset. Spotify acting up, music won't play or the app keeps freezing. Let's get the tunes back with these steps. Close Spotify and let it restart. When it restarted, you might to go to log in, and if it didn't help you, let's go to the permissions check. Settings, apps. Okay, here it is Spotify, and this is app permissions. So let's go allow the music and the audio, photos and videos, and that's all. And if even this didn't help you, we are going to reinstall the application. Let's go here, search Spotify. Here, uninstall and install it again. And it's finished. Okay, let's open, log in again, and if it didn't help you, let's go to the down detector to look if it has a server down. Okay, let's look for Spotify. And there were minimal issues, but it's not a main problem. So if it's not main problem, you might need to go to check your internet connection. And if it's good, just restart your phone and it will help you to solve your problem. Thank you so much. This was Hard Reset and goodbye.